Okay, so I'm going to start off with ultrasonic sensor, like that, and then I'll go forward, and then I'll make left here, and I'll go forward again. Then here it'll make a left, knock over the block, and then it'll back up. So I'll make it so it just hits the block and then comes back. Then when it hits this, that's a touch sensor. So now I have two sensors used. It'll make a left turn down here, and then I'll let it go out. Now it's out of the thing. My dance is gonna be. My dance is gonna be forward, backward, forward, back, and then 360, and then a 360 the other way, and then I'll make it go backwards again.